Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I got some sad news, more sad news to share. Our brother, fellow YouTuber, Erobin Outdoors, Todd, last Saturday passed away around 4 a.m. Man, what a kick in the gut. So I got a message, one of his family members commented, giving me the bad news. So yeah, I was actually really hoping he'd turn it around, but apparently had stage 4 cancer. So, you know, man, kind of a, you know, now today is, excuse me, today's actually Tuesday. I was just, you know, trying to collect my thoughts, but it's never easy, you know, making these videos and having to share bad news. But, you know, what are you gonna do? So I'm gonna do a little fat wood burn for him, because that's just what the YouTuber does, and I'm gonna prep it so you don't have to watch me cutting and scraping, and then I'll just do the burn. And yeah, and you know, and there's in the description there's gonna be a remembrance video that his family posted, just full of really great photos. And you know, it's a good reminder, you can never have enough pictures. Always take more pictures. Try to spend time with your family. You know, I admit I'm awful at calling and keep in touch. You know, I always mean to, and then I forget because I'm forgetful, and then I'm like, oh, I didn't call so-and-so, and it's already late at night. So no excuse, but you know, you don't want to live with regrets going, man, I wish I'd called more, I wish I'd visited more, I wish I'd taken more pictures. Well, you know, almost everybody has some kind of smartphone now, so we take those pictures. Because when they're gone, that's all we're gonna have. That's all we're gonna have to remember them by is photographs. So, and now with, you know, with technology and everything we have nowadays, you know, all these, you know, really great digital cameras we can buy. I mean, there's really no reason not to have plenty of pictures. So, let me prep that fat wood, and then we'll get to it.
As soon as I started prepping the fat wood, it starts hailing on me. So I'm hoping it lets up. So I didn't bring a rain shell either, because when I left, it wasn't raining. I'm getting really sick of this weather, man. It's like it's set to random.
Rain or no rain, let's get this going. This one's for you, brother. Rest in peace. Two and done.